Hey guys, what is up? It's Con here, back with another video. So I know I've been away for a while, but I'm ready to come back and do my thing, so let's crack on. So today I'm going to be talking about how to gain your confidence in your wheelchair. So you're using wheels to get around instead of legs. I know it is tough, but you may be feeling frustrated, I get it. You may be feeling unconfident, you may be feeling people are looking at you, people are staring at you. But in reality, you're the only person that can fix that. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to gain confidence in a wheelchair like I have. Let's go with the video. So the first point I'm going to be making today is accepting your wheelchair is key. It took me a long time to accept my wheelchair and accept this is the life that I have to live. So that's my advice to you. Accepting your wheelchair is key. These points will not work if you don't accept your wheelchair, first off, period. So if you've been newly injured or you've been using a chair for all your life and you just can't get used to it, you're just like, no, this is my life, this is me. Stop rejecting your chair, stop rejecting your disability. You are very strong for accepting your chair. Your chair can be actually a lifesaver. Think about all the people that are stuck inside. They're stuck in hospitals all day. You're actually very lucky. Just keep thinking, in my mind I always say, keep thinking of the positives and you'll be fine. So you keep doing that and you keep doing you, so you'll be fine. The second point I'm going to be talking about is my fashion sense. People who know me know that I love a bit of fashion, I won't lie. I know right now just black t-shirt is what I usually do. That's one of my favourite styles. So even if you're in your wheelchair, you can have style. I used to think, oh no, you can't have style because you're in a wheelchair. Completely false. You can have an absolutely amazing style. Sitting down all the time doesn't mean that you can't have a style. You're doing you do you. You do you. Nobody will judge. Everyone will think, okay, this guy is actually really cool because he's wearing cool clothes. He's actually, trying. That really annoys me actually. If you're in a wheelchair and you don't really try, you're like any other person. If you're going somewhere nice, try. Just try it and you'll be fine, honestly. To me, I have never really had this problem. I've always loved clothes, so I've always been a really fashionable person. I won't lie. But that's just my advice. Even just something simple like a black t-shirt or a white t-shirt. Everybody loves their style, so just keep a bit of yourself in there and you'll be totally fine. Next point I'm going to talk about is my diet. So my diet is actually been better since lockdown, which is really strange. A lot of people been binge eating, watching Netflix, watching their TV. I get you, honestly. I was doing that at the start of lockdown, but I've actually gotten better. I've been eating more healthier foods. And the thing, my advice why I'm saying eat more healthier foods is because veg, fruit, they can give you so much more energy, especially if you have DMD. Just eat your veg, eat your fruit. It can give you tons of energy. I've always ate fruit and veg all through my life, and I feel like it is a benefit for you especially, but for anybody as well, especially with tiredness. I feel like it gives you more energy. For me especially, I've had way more energy since I've ate so many more better foods, So I'm really happy with that. My diet is one of my things that I'm proud of, and I'm just proud of myself for getting through that. While you feel like your chair and your disability can take over your life sometimes, don't. Honestly, don't. I know it can be very consuming. It can be, you may need certain help for certain tasks, but getting help from somebody does not make you weaker. It makes you stronger. But if you hold yourself with confidence, you can receive help from others but still maintain that self-independence. You can have dignity and you can have control in your life. That's what I have, and you can have it too. People have told me it's important to maintain myself and my, presence, and I didn't believe it at first, but I believe it now. I'm very happy that I listened. You have to love who you are. For a long time, I hated who I was. I didn't like myself at all. But I don't want you to be like that. Don't be like me in that sense of way. Be like me now, which is positive, absolutely loves his chair, loves just everything. Love who you are. Yeah, you may be, you know, disabled. There isn't much things you can do about being disabled. Like, there's nothing you can do. So show what you have, you know, show the chair, show everything cool, you know, because people find it actually really cool. They're very interested with this type of stuff. So if you tell them your achievements and your goals, they'll be more respected towards you if you tell them that type of stuff. Just show what you have, honestly. It's the best thing to do. Even with me, for getting confidence for my chair, it's just showing what I got, what I have. A bit of advice for you though. Say you're rocking up somewhere, say you're gonna rock up to a party. You're gonna think maybe, oh, I can't dance, you know, I'll look weird. But you won't look weird. You look absolutely so cool, so you do you. Go into that party, go into any situation and just have a good time. Just feel the confidence going through, because when people see you showing a bit of confidence in yourself, they'll admire you more. That's what I've learned, they'll admire you more. And going on to one of my earlier points, people mocking or staring at you. If you feel like people are mocking or staring at you, as I said at the start, most time it will just be in your head. But if they are, don't mind them people. People can be ignorant and people can be rude, but as long as you're, you know, preaching what you say as being positive, you can become a person that a lot of people who are like-minded like you will like. There's always going to be negativity in the world. We can't get rid of that, but if more people keep being more positive, people see it's not that hard to fit in with other people. It's not that hard to fit in with more people, and you'll meet more people and be more confident talking to them people. But some people will think, okay, this person has accomplished a lot in their lifetime. They'll be very proud and very honoured to be your friend. I'll give you that advice now. And maybe some people might be just looking because they're curious. A lot of people to me have been curious, which is fair enough. Everybody can be curious. They just want to know what's going on and why I'm in the chair. Most people will be likely inspired by you, not embarrassed by you. They'll be inspired to be your friend and know you are as positive as you are, because your life could have been absolutely different now, say if you're newly injured. But for me, I had to just break through being positive, because my DMD, I had to just say, okay, this is my life, I have to deal with it this way. And having good people around you always helps. So just try find them good people who can boost your confidence, boost your mood, and just make you feel like 100%. People also, they don't see your chair, they see you, they see the person. We're all just people in the end of the day. You know, disabled or not disabled, we're the same as anybody else. Everybody should be treated equally. I hope everybody had a good time listening to this video. Comment, like, subscribe, hit me up on Instagram, it's @ConsWheels, and on Facebook it's @ConsWheels. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it. Hope you have a good day.